Imagine this, you're lost. The forest is quiet, no hikers, no signals. Every second counts. I'm Ian Flood from Wild Survival 101, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to signal for rescue when no one's watching. So most accidents in the wilderness happen when people assume someone will notice. That's a mistake. Signalling is your lifeline. It's how you turn a silent forest into a visible SOS. SOS standing for Save Our Souls. So let's talk about some simple signalling methods. First, the mirror flash. Catch the sun and aim towards the horizon. 3 flashes is the universal distress signal. Now, the thing I like to carry around with me is an old CD that's probably scratched and battered and you don't need anymore, but it's got a really good reflective surface on it. The other thing is it's got a hole in the middle. So you can look through the hole, point it at the sun, and you can direct it in the direction you want to point your flashes at. So that's a good tip there. Second, it's the whistle. Again, universal distress signal, 3 short blasts, pause and repeat. Third, ground markings, large SOS shapes with rocks, logs or snow. Keep it visible from above. Don't do it in the woods. Make sure you have a good open space where aircraft flying over have a good chance of seeing you. Okay, let's move on to using fire and smoke for signalling. If you have a fire, smoke is your beacon. Add green leaves to create thick, visible smoke. If it's the winter, then you usually find spruce and fir trees around. They always have green pine needles on them. You can use those as well. 3 puffs, remember? Repeat, just like your mirror or whistle. But remember, safety first. Never let the fire get out of control. Using objects to catch the attention. Bright colours and reflective objects work even when there's no fire or sun. Emergency blankets, neon jackets, anything shiny can turn you into a moving target for rescuers. So before we move on, if you hit like if you want some more life-saving tips from below. Don't forget to subscribe, and you never know when this knowledge could help you and save your life. Let's talk now about advanced signalling tricks. For advanced signalling, flares are your instant beacon. If you don't have one, water can reflect sunlight towards the sky, catching attention. Even banging sticks together or dropping rocks near water that can produce sound that can carry quite a long way. Always think, can someone see me or hear me from a distance? Okay, remember, in conclusion, remember signalling is your lifeline. Mirrors, whistles, fire, smoke, bright colours. It's quite a good selection there. And they all give rescuers a chance to find you. Stay calm, stay visible, and never assume help will just appear. You have to make yourself known to those that might be out there looking for you. Your actions make all the difference. Like the tips? Once again, hit the subscribe button below and turn on some notifications, because mastering survival skills could one day help you and save your life. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and practice those skills.